We doing math today. Ain't got time for no games. We doing math today. All work and no play. We doing math today. Listen up and behave.
Hey guys, week number 21. I saw this on my social media. This is a message for parents and the athletes. Mac Johnson won a national championship. This is Mac Johnson for college. This year as a QB of the University of Alabama. However, he was the third string quarterback for 2 years. He didn't run from competition. He embraced it. The two guys ahead of him, Jalen Hurts and I think, I don't know his first name, Tua, are starting quarterbacks in the NFL pros right now. By the way, he had to beat out a 5-star recruit this year. In order to be the man or woman, you got to earn it. And when you get your shot, do something with it. Stop running and compete. This person's quote was saying that basically Mac Jones could have transferred out his freshman year or sophomore year. He stuck around behind two great NFL players right now, and he knew that was good for him, and once he got his shot, he did it. All right. Grid view and our game plan. We're still in week 21, January 19th to January 22nd, 2021. Chapter 3, we are collecting data. We'll be starting 3.4, estimating a margin of error. Students will be able to simulate, so we're using the computer or technology to help us get results, simulate a margin of error on their guided notes. California Common Core Standards of Mathematics, Statistics, Inferences and conclusions. Use data from a sample survey to estimate a population mean or proportion. Develop a margin of error through the use of simulation models for random sampling. All right, 902 news. Grades. Remember, Schoology is a way to get and turn in your work. It is the unofficial grade. Aries is the grades that are posted. That's the official grade. This weekend, I updated your Aries with your first assignments. Let's just say you didn't have those turned in on time, so now you have to go through late work. So if you have late work, go to Schoology, Courses, click on the math page, Materials, and then there's a page called Welcome, and look for the one that says late work. All right, Khan Academy is 10% of your grade, and something that's new is because I did not assign Khan Academy assignments until last week, I'm not going to check at the end of January. Now, that does not excuse you from the 60 minutes for January, but the new thing is by the end of February 22nd, Friday at 8 a.m., you need a total of 2 hours or 120 minutes. Again, instead of me checking at the end of the month, I didn't think it was fair. I didn't assign those until last week, so it kind of, the first week and a half of school, you had time to do it, but I didn't assign any videos, so I'm kind of giving you more time. Number 3 here, participation. Remember, this is just based on Zoom, and if you're in there for less than 30 minutes or you have no response when I call you, you get a half point. Number 4, you need help? Well, and school tutoring now is available. Go to your Schoology Courses, and I think there's a page called Savannah Tutoring or Rebel Tutoring or something. And if you need help with me, my office hours starts, it's starting now, Tuesdays and Wednesdays from 1 to 2 p.m. by appointment. You can watch this video, which I've already shown you guys in class, or you can just click on this link to reserve your spot. I'll email you. Stats, week 21 essential question. How can you simulate margin of error? And this is our week at a glance. Yesterday, we observed MLK and his life and what he accomplished through civil rights. Today, you're watching the Week at a Glance 21 video, and if you haven't finished your lesson 3.3, you can do that and also start on homework 3.3. Wednesday, I'm giving you a work day, and then Thursday, all of your work is due before school starts, early in the morning, and we're taking your first quiz of the second semester, and then I'll release lesson 3.4 later on this week when it turns blue. Here's all of your assignments, so remember now, in Aries, it'll say 19.1. That just means in week number 19, I assigned this assignment. Those were past due. Those were due last week. I'll put a link for late work, so you can just click on there, and it'll take you to the slides as well. And then this week is week 21. These 6 are kind of like a packet. It's super helpful if you guys just make it one PDF instead of like 20 pictures. Don't do that. You'll get 0. And those are due at 8 a.m. Before you take your quiz. And I think that's pretty much all that we have. That was week 21. Finish strong, guys. See ya.
We doing math today. Ain't got time for no games. We doing math today. All work and no play. We doing math today. Listen up and behave. We doing math today. We doing math today.